you need is some water and some baking soda. First, pour a good amount of water into the cup and pour some baking soda. Sometimes this has trouble coming out, so you know, it's just widen. It's coming out from. So okay, so this is oobleck. Oobleck is a really cool thing. When you put your fingers deep into it, it just kind of lets your hands go through, but when you touch it, it's a solid. So like, it's hard like this. When you don't do this, it's to go through, but now it hardens, then it softens, you can harden it, it slowly softens, and it's really fun to play with. Okay, next up I will show you how to marble. Now when you mix a lot of baking soda and water together, you get this oobleck stuff. It's really interesting. It's named after a Dr. Seuss book called Oobleck, and when you pat down, it can turn into a solid, but then when you let it go, it drips back down and turns into a liquid. It's really cool. I've added some more water to the oobleck, so it's much more soft and a lot less ooblecky. It's really easy to turn it back and forth. So now I'm going to show you how to marble slime. So my hands are kind of dirty, but I'm going to do this nice. I'm going to take a color of food coloring. I think I'm going to choose green and add a bunch in, and then I mix it. It's not really cool. Now I've got my green slime. Sorry if you can't see it well. I take another color. This time I'm going to use blue. Add a couple drops of that. And then I take my Q-tip and I start running it through and making little designs. This is what it looks like. And the more you do it, the cooler it looks. Next, we are going to do some mixing, so stay tuned for that. Here is some slime I have already made, and I don't know if I can show you with the camera. There we go. It's looking pretty good, but it's kind of turning a bit grayish. That's what happens when you mix pink and blue together, and maybe I shouldn't have done that. I'm going to add these little squishy things into it to make it look cooler, so here we go. Oh yeah. This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. Now, here's the big thing we're going to do. We're going to mix the two together. Ready? Here we are. Looking pretty crazy, huh? Now, before you get to see the big reveal of this cool color, remember to like and subscribe this video and check out more of my videos. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna move this so you can see it better. Here it is. It looks pretty sweet. And kind of reminds me of like a Halloween party where you dunk for apples. So cool. But thank you for watching, and check in again to see more awesome videos by me. Thank you. Bye.